Welcome back student for the session 5. In the previous session we have discussed the concept of the functions of MIS. Today let us move on to the next concept which is called as MIS and other academic disciplines. So when you come for this concept, here many of ideas which are the part of management are found in other disciplines. There are four such major discipline areas where the major academic areas are especially significant to the MIS concept. That means an MIS have the different concepts which are a part of another area. They are involved in the concept of the management information system. So in this topic, let us understand what are the different other academic disciplines that are used in the information. The first type of the other academic discipline which we come across, which is called as a managerial accounting. So when you come for the term accounting, which concerned with the day-to-day recording of the transactions in an organization. So this accounting have mainly two major areas. One is the financial accounting and second is managerial accounting. The financial accounting is concerned with the measurement of income for a specific period of the time, such as the month, the year, and the report, and for the financial status at the end of the period. The financial account reports are oriented towards the investors and limited use. The management, the managerial accounting, on other hand, is concerned with determining the relevant cost and performing the analysis useful for managerial control and decisions in an organization. It have the main focus on the preparation of the budget, the performance analysis based on the budgets. The MIS concept includes the much of the content of managerial accounting, which is concerned in the determining of relevant cost and performing the analysis useful for control and the decision. The second concept which is involved will be discussed in the next session.